In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Google Meet account. To start, open your web browser and go to your Google account page. On screen, you should see a Google sign-in area or your account settings, depending on whether you are already logged in. Once you are on the Google account page, look for the left side navigation menu. You will want to click on a section called Data and Privacy. This area controls how your information is managed and how you can review or delete data tied to your account. After you click Data and Privacy, the page will change and show you privacy and data-related settings. Now you should scroll down. Keep scrolling until you find a section that includes More Options. When you locate More Options, click it so you can see the deeper account management actions. As you continue, you will come to an entry that says Delete your Google account. Clicking Delete your Google account is what moves you toward the next stage, where Google asks you to confirm what you want to do. When you select Delete your Google account, Google will guide you through the steps needed to permanently remove the account. At this point, you may be prompted for confirmation or security checks to verify it is really you. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. To make the process smoother, keep your eye on the page as you move forward. Confirm you are still working with the intended Google account, and read each message that appears before you proceed. When you finish the confirmation steps and the deletion request is accepted, your Google account and related services will be scheduled for removal based on Google's process. And that covers everything you need to know.